What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the iPhone camera mirroring for the front camera. By default, when you take selfies with your iPhone's front camera, the image appears mirrored, meaning text and certain angles may not look the way they do in real life. This is because iOS automatically flips the image to match how you see yourself in the camera preview. If you prefer your selfies to look exactly as they do in the preview without being flipped, you will need to turn off this setting. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Inside the camera settings, look for an option called Mirror Front Camera. If this is turned on, your selfies will be mirrored. But turning it off will ensure they appear as they do in real life. Simply toggle Mirror Front Camera off, and the change will take effect immediately. Once this is done, any future selfies you take with the front camera will no longer be mirrored, making them appear as they do in the live preview. If you ever want to go back to the mirrored version, you can return to your settings and toggle this option back on. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.